Preeti Reddy garu, Vice Chairman, and
after some time we'll start the event. Okay, so now the next.
Preeti ma'am, Honorable Chancellor ma'am.
Robbing to celebrations, and then we're going to continue with our annual day celebration.
Rowdy boys and girls unnaru. So lots and lots of love. Thank you for your love. Big hugs from me. Open your arms. Wow. And big kisses to all of you. Everybody there. Everybody there. Everybody there. All of you. This side gang. All of you. Lots and lots of love. Mwah! Thank you my boys and girls, thank you.
అసలు మీ ఎనర్జీ జోష్ అబ్బా సూపర్ అంతే. I'm very happy to be here. Preeti garu, thank you so much for having us here. First of all, మీ arrangements, మీ planning, మీ kids వాళ్ళ dances కానీ it's too good. Saima if forward ఏమాత్రం తీసుకోకుండా అంత చాలా బాగుంది. Sound system big applause to you. And first ఇవాళ మల్లారెడ్డి రెడ్డి గారు అండ్ వాళ్ళ మిసెస్ వాళ్ళది వాళ్ళ 40th wedding anniversary. So let's all wish them a very happy wedding anniversary. ఒక పెద్ద